County, Kentucky, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Karnak or 8 miles north of La Center, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Paducah, Metropolis, La Center, Wycliffe, Barlow, Barkley Regional Airport, West Paducah, Lovelessville, Kibble, Joppa, and Blandville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 24 in Illinois between mile markers 27 and 38. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following county: Massac, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard and McCracken. Taking a look at